Okay, welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz.
What's up?
Today we're doing some ribs. So, we got our Babybacks here. We got some cayenne pepper, mustard, spicy brown mustard. So what we did was we took some of this applewood rub and we mixed it with some onion powder and some garlic powder. Okay, now so we're gonna use our binder here. We're using spicy dark mustard. All we do is just generously
Rub it in.
rub this in. Rub here, generously again.
Hey Nez, didn't we already do ribs?
Yeah, but this time these are gonna be done in the oven.
Oh. So there's multiple ways to skin the cat.
Okay, so put it in the foil, put some more in here. Just wrap it up.
That's too easy.
And that's that.
All right, we have these things all wrapped up in aluminum foil. Have our oven preheated already, 200 Celsius, which is about 400 Fahrenheit. And then we're gonna just stick this thing in.
Okay, so it's been an hour and 50 minutes, probably an hour and a half. Let's check these. Ooh.
What you can't see is a beautiful smell. Nice aroma coming out of these.
So, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that bone just leaving the meat alone. Ooh. This one. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna baste ribs. Today we're using some Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar, along with the juices that came out of this. Gonna mix that together. Just baste these babies up now, generously.
Do we put it back in the oven after this?
Put it back in the oven. Oh yeah, for about 15 minutes.
Nice.
Okay, so guys, are basted and put them in the oven now. Got the oven on grill mode.
Ooh, look at that.
Just for about 50 minutes to get that good, nice glaze on there.
I am about to try the world famous ribs, and I'm very excited. I'll just get my hands. Ooh, clean off the bone. The meat is so tender. The spices are really good. There's a little bit of heat, but the sweetness really cuts through it. It almost has a fruity flavor to it, which is really yummy. These are delicious.
World famous.
Well,